Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Jindal Stainless Steel Limited. This company belongs to the metal sector, which is highly outperforming the market in the recent times. So let's analyze the stock on daily basis. I have found a swing trade opportunity in this stock. Let me explain the stock technicals in detail. Look at the stock. The stock is actually from the listing, it's seen a huge up move, and once the up move completed, a distribution of 3 to 4 months is happened here. Look at the candles here. It shows a clean distribution of shares, and once the distribution over, the stock gave a downside breakout here, and after a breakout it came down drastically and hit the low of COVID, and once the low was hit, the accumulation is also happened. Look at the range here. These two candles shows that accumulation taken place here, and once the accumulation took place, the stock gave a huge breakout. Look at the candle. The candle is almost 5 times the previous candle, so it's good to have such candles in the stock. And still now the stock is in the same bullishness, so one can take swing trades opportunity to go long in this stock. So this is the weekly chart of the stock. The weekly chart suggests that the stock is in the good bull run, because look at the volume is keep on increasing from year to year, and the volumes as well as the price also correlate each other, so one can take long positions in the stock, but one should wait for the good breakout that should take place before placing trade. Now let me draw the lines for the zoning of support and resistance in the stock. So this can be taken as one of the major resistance level right now. Once the stock broke this level, it becomes a support level for the stock, and always try to make zones instead of drawing lines, because zones may give a accurate and good trading results, and one can take this range as the next resistance level. So once the stock broke this level, the level of 188, this can be acted as the support level for the stock. If the stock broke the level of 184, then the stock may move up and retrace here, and it will hit the all-time high of the previous created all-time high at 2017 range. Now let me move to the daily chart to analyze the chart further. Look at the chart here. The chart after moving is so large, and it made a top here, and once the top was made, the stock began falling, and it gave a slowdown momentum here, and once the stock came here, the momentum of the falling has been reduced widely, and the stock is in the same range for more than 2 months, and after breaking this range, the stock tried moving up and took a retracement here. Let me draw a line also. So look at the line here. The stock after getting out of this range, it took a retracement here with a pin bar which is against the support level, so it's good to take long in this stock, and the stock gave a breakout here, so it moved up and it consolidated a bit on resistance, and also gave a breakout with good candle, good bullishness in the stock, and less sellers in the stock. And once again the stock took a retracement. Once again a pin bar is formed, so this stock can be taken for long positions. Once the stock breaks the level of 190, one can go long in the stock. One should wait for the stock to move up, or it may consolidate a bit lower before moving up. So one can take entry only above the 190 range, and one can take the range of 240 as the target for the stock. One can take the range of 191 as the entry, and 240 can be taken as the target. Look at the candles here. The bullish candles are very huge and volumes is also good, so it's good to take trade in the stock and place stop loss below 159 range. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button and hit subscribe button to get the instant notifications of the video once it published, and feel free to comment below your questions and queries, and thank you for watching our videos.